everyone. Welcome back to Nail of the Week. Super excited to share another nail design with you. Now, I've been seeing baby boomer look all around, so I wanted to do a set myself. You guys all know that I love the look of a French look, but even more when it's the baby boomer because it's so natural looking. And I've done this with a sponge. I like how the white just goes right into that nude color like that instead of having that sharp line when you do a French look. I really love this. Now, I have went longer with the nails. I got some new nail tips off a line and I love the curve in them. Absolutely love that. And I really love long nails. So I took the old set off. I could have went a little longer with it, but I took it off, soaked them off, and decided to do another set, but I wanted them much longer for this baby boomer look. And then I have also added in crystals. You see I've accented a couple nails, and I did work with my stamping plate on 2 of the nails there. I really love this. It's so elegant and just clean looking. That's what I love. I love a clean look that'll match with anything. But of course, this will come with a set of toes and an outfit that's going to go with this. So anyways, everybody take care and God bless, and I will see you all in my next video. Let's get started. Hi everyone. So here's what I chose to go with for this week's nail design. A beautiful classic baby boomer look. If you'd like to see how I did this one, continue watching. Hi everyone. Welcome back to Nail of the Week. Going to be doing a very classic look with the old-fashioned baby boomer look. So you do that with a sponge and you bring the 2 colors kind of together almost like an ombre. Now you see I've got a new set of nails on here. I went longer, still kept it square, but I ordered these nails offline and I love them. They even have more of a C curve. I love that. Super excited with this new set. And then you see on them I have kind of a sheerish nude pink color, and I'll show you what I used there. I've used this color before, it's the Essie, but because I did 2 coats, it went even more of kind of a nude color, and that is called High Maintenance. I will put that in the box. But I needed it to be a little bit more than just a sheer because you want to get that ombre look with the white tips. So then I'll be using my white, which is the Insta Dry here. I love this white, and it's called White on Time. And then I will be sponging that on with a makeup sponge. And because my nails are so long, I won't be using this end, I'll be using this end and putting it on like that with the 2 colors. I will sponge both colors on this sheer pinkish nude color with the white, and I'm gonna sponge it on like that. These are just makeup sponges. And then I will top that off before I start the art with my Seche Site top coat, and then I'll be working with a plate again today. I'm kind of in a hurry. So I'm going to be working with either or, I can't remember. I just got this plate. There is the name of it. I'll link that down in the box. This is the only plate I got that I had ordered. This one came separate. And I'm thinking about this image here. Hopefully you can see that. I think that is such a beautiful image. I'm just gonna do that on 1 finger. That, or I'm gonna use this plate and I'm gonna go with this image. I love this, absolutely love it. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use, but you'll know as I go along. And then my good friend Jan told me I should be using a rectangle stamper. So I've got this stamper here. It's just one I had ordered online. I don't even know the name of this one. I just saw it online. But as you see, this one is going to be better. We'll cover the whole nail. See that? And she was right. So you need a rectangle one. So I'm going to be using this one here. And it came with this scraper. I may use this scraper or the other one. Not sure. But then I will be adding in on that and around some of the other nails, some of these crystals here, the clear Swarovski crystal, and they came in size 5SS, 5SS, 7SS, and 9SS. So I'll be just kind of mixing some of those in. They got really small to a little bigger, but they're all pretty small. And then I'm going to be using some of these pearls, the white ones on there. There's white and kind of a gray and a cream. I think I'm going to be working with just the white ones. There are some white ones on here. It's hard to see, but there are some white ones like right there. Some white ones. I'm going to use those to keep this really clean and classic. And that size for those pearls were 10SS. Both those stones and the pearls I got from Hobby Lobby. So I also do order crystals and pearls online because it is cheaper, but I saw those at my Hobby Lobby, so I got them. So, and then of course, again, I'll top everything off with my Seche Site Dry Fast top coat at the end. So I'm going to get some of the sponging done and I will return to show you what I'm doing. All right. So there is the first coat. Isn't that just so natural and so beautiful? I love that look. I may do a second coat. It does really look good, but it's got a little bit of sheer showing through. So I think I'm going to do 1 more coat. And I did get a little bit here. I'll just clean that off there. No big deal. Use some acetone. But I left 1 finger open to show you guys, so I will draw in. pretty easy to do. Here is the sponge right here that I'm using with the 2 colors. So you're just going to get your brush and just brush it on. Oops. Just brush the color on. You don't have to have it like super thick at the bottom because I've already got that coat going. And then you want to do the white and just go across a straight line. Looks like I've got a piece of hair in there. I hope that didn't end up in there. Here, I can pull that off right here. Pull it off. See it? Thank you. All right. So then you want to put the white to the bottom here. And then in the middle, I'm going right back through the middle with this sheer pink, just right back through the middle. It just helps to give it that natural nude, just nice look. So, and I didn't tape anything off. You can also tape off so you don't have any cleanup. I barely have any cleanup. You see that it's barely anything. So then just put it up to your finger here and just roll it across like that and then start patting. And this one here I like because it just goes, you know, just kind of like an ombre. It'll just go from one color to the next. I'm getting too much white down here, so you just go up like that with the pink, like that, and get more of the pink in there. Hopefully you can see that. And then tap the end to cap your end with the white, like that. But see, isn't that pretty? And I love the color, how it just fades from the nude color, almost like your skin color, to the white. So I do have, like I said, some cleanup work, and this was just from the sponge hitting that finger, and that's why I keep getting it on that finger. But anyways, I'm going to do a second coat of that. Everything I'm going to let dry up, do a second coat, and then I will return to show you the stamping. All right, now I've got the one accent nail with that stamp design. Isn't that so elegant and pretty? I love it. I got a little bit of cleanup work here. Got a little bit of white on there, but that's fine. I'll do it at the end. Let me show you how I'm doing this. Draw in close. And I am just going with this image right here. I did decide to go with that. That's the one I like. So we're just going to get lined up here. And we're going to paint it on. Now I did do, I'll show you up close here. I did do it, and then I left a little bit of an opening here on purpose, and then I did that. So I did go with my round stamper because I wasn't going to do it all the way down the nail. So we're just going to paint this on. And then scrape it. And then pick it up with the stamper. And that's a beautiful pickup. Look at how good that was. Okay, so we're just gonna line it up here. I'm gonna look through the clear. That's what I love about the clear stampers. You can see through it. And then I'm just gonna get lined up, and then you're just gonna go like this and roll it like that. And then you see it only goes so far up the nail. And then you can use tape if you do it right away. You can do tape to clean it off the skin. Sometimes it'll come right off with tape. Sometimes it won't. This one here isn't coming off as great with tape, but that's okay. You can use, I'm using just a brush and a small brush and acetone. So now we're gonna dip in one more time. I'm gonna clean the plate quick. And now I'm only gonna get half the image because I just want it for the very top. So I'm gonna go completely straight across like that. And scrape it. Oh, we want to clean the plate off first. Use a lint roller to clean off the plate. And then pick up the image again. And you see that's all I need there. And then I'm going to go up to the nail. Oh, wrong finger. Go up to the nail here. I'm going to turn this around. And I'm just going to go to the tip now. You guys can't really see this, sorry. But just going to go to the tip and get a little bit more. And of course, you're doing it white over white. But you can just kind of barely see it there. I'll show you can barely see it. But it's got that little bit of a gap. And I like that. So then you're going to clean off your stamper again with your lint roller because you want that always to stay clean. Never use acetone on these. Then put your cover on right away. And then we'll clean off the plate like that. And that is that. So there's what I've got going with that. Now I'm going to clean up the mess, and then I'm going to start adding my crystals. I will be right back. All right, so now I have got the crystals on the 2 nails here, and I've done pearls as well. This one here, I've got the crystals too. Isn't that just elegant and beautiful? And then I've left this finger open to show you real quick. So I'm just gonna take, I'm just using a dotting tool to pick up the glue. I always do that, and I've got some glue on the cap here, so I'm just gonna dip in there, and I'm just going to dab a little bit of glue in the center here. And this is nail glue I'm using. Sometimes I use super glue, sometimes nail glue. So this is what I have for today is the nail glue. Get it all the way across. And then I'm going to add a pearl right in the middle. and one of the lighter color ones. Okay, I'm going to set that right in the middle there. And then around it is the crystals I'm going to do. So we go 2 larger ones out of the small. They are very small, but I'm still going to use the largest of the small. Let me grab another one for the other side. Put that one on. And then we're going to put 2 medium size. I think they are, oh no, they are the smallest. So we're going to grab the smallest here. And we're going to put one right there, and then get another tiny one and put that on this side. Now I did the other nails with all the crystals because it's a lot of work when you're putting on stones. It takes a lot of time, especially when you're doing a lot like that. So I didn't want to use up the time showing you guys the other nails, but I thought I would just show you because they went on the exact same way that I put those on. But you see I've got all those crystals around the corner like that. And I wanted it on this side because it's more that I won't bump it than if it was over on this side, because of course it would be the corner of your nail and you would bump it more. So I went to the inside with it. But isn't that just elegant and beautiful? I love the look of a baby boomer look, and I just love the look of a clean look. And I have done a French look for you guys, but this one here is more of the baby boomer where the color fades from, you know, the natural look more. And I really like that look. So, all right, I am going to top coat everything with my Seche Vite, and I will return to show all of you guys the end product. Alrighty, I am all done. Isn't this one elegant and gorgeous? I love it. I love the look of a French look. I've told you guys that before. I also love the American manicure, but this one here, the baby boomer, it just turned out so classic, so beautiful. This could definitely be for a wedding, but also just an everyday look. And of course, I really, you know, classed it up with the pearls and the crystals, just as a couple accent nails, and then of course that stamp design. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this look. A baby boomer is a wonderful look. Will match with anything, so definitely give this one a try. Other than that, everybody take care, God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my next video.